I was so tired of not being able to find the right size bag or having all of my Ziploc bags in different places, all over a drawer. They're so unorganized, and I'm so excited to have this box here from Hadi Home and have all of my bags organized and look really, really cute in our space. Let's check it out. These baggie boxes are so cute and absolutely amazing. They're made of wood and they have the cutest design on them ever. I love that they have the words right here for how the sizes of bags should go into them. The snacks, the sandwich bags, quart and gallon sizes. They can also be hung up on a wall. So if you wanted to maybe put them into your pantry or onto your walls here in your kitchen, they're gonna be right there accessible for you as well. So let's see how they look in my drawer. I can't wait to show you guys how well organized it's gonna look after you have these in your drawer. Now that I have my bamboo baggie organizers right in this drawer, everything is so much better. I even have a ton more space in this drawer now because everything's organized and put right in its place. And I know too that my kids can come and find the perfect size bag for whatever they're looking for with ease instead of digging through everything and making a big mess. So I couldn't be more happy with this product, you guys. It is beautiful. They're sustainable. They are gonna help me organize my life and my kitchen just a little bit more, and I absolutely know that you guys are gonna love them too.